I was with my client today, Kaylee Coco.
This is kind of like lip filler, but natural.
Exactly. And she was like, wait a minute, you gave me one of these a long time ago. I'm here with Tara Peterson, who is the co-founder of NuFACE. I'm a woman of a certain age now. I need to start taking care of myself in a way that I never have before. If you do this every day, it's accumulative.
So that's why I say it's fitness for your face.
Cindy Clune's first question is how to use it.
How to use it.
Perfect.
So let's just get to it.
You want to clean your face, and then you apply the gel primer. And so start with your neck, and you want to apply a mask-like layer. The gel primer is going to take all of that microcurrent and deliver it directly to the muscles. I always typically apply it in sections, so I would just do like just the neck, because you don't want it to dry. I turn it on high, and then you're basically just gliding along the contours of the face. So there's 3 glides here, 3 glides here, and then 3 glides here. And every glide is 5 seconds. So you're gonna hear the beat, and then you basically start over. And then you do that 2 more times.
And then you do this quadrant.
So at home, lift half your face, look in the mirror, smile, and you'll be able to see that instant result.
If you have puffiness under your eyes, or you're dealing with like really defined lines in this area, or your 11s, or if you just want to flip your lip, this machine or this machine is really what makes a difference.
I'm like popping your cheekbones. Can you see that already?
Already. See it,
You
look
can
at that.
see that contour. Look straight.
Flipped
You
it
can
on this
see
side.
everything's lifted.
Yeah,
and
this
then
looks
this
dull.
looks,
Yeah.
Microcurrent's a low level electrical current. So it's a positive and negative current that goes in and stimulates the facial muscles. Microcurrent is actually more of a holistic approach to anti-aging. Smile. Look at your cheekbone. But then you can do it more. You can do some of the advanced techniques. You really want to like pop the brow. You can like lift the forehead up. Again, I was like popping the cheekbone. If you really wanted to like lift the neck, you go under here. But if you just literally have 5 minutes, just do the simple glides and you're good.
Dana Gilly at Dana Gilly says, will this help get rid of lines around my mouth?
Yes. So we have 2 different products for that. The cool thing about the Trinity is that you can interchange the different attachments. Pop this on, and this is for the eyes and the lips. The lips, the mouth, and the eyes are circular muscles. So those circles become ovals as we get older. So what we're doing is we're really plumping up that circular muscle and making sure it stays nice and thick, if you will. If you have like little fine lines and wrinkles, this is where the fix comes into place. This is about the muscles, this is about the skin. So you could just go in here and you basically just like flick up the lip. It's gonna plump up the lips, but also you're gonna see like little fine lines and wrinkles really start to smooth out.
How to use it, which we did, and what serums go with it.
So you need to use the gel primer. So that's the activator. People always ask, do I have to use that? The answer is yes. You won't feel any current at all.
That's
so
why
if
you need
start,
the gel.
And if you use the device with other products, you're gonna feel the current, and it means that that microcurrent is just basically bouncing off your skin and not getting to the muscles. I always like to say it like this, like you wouldn't put a regular cream or serum on the belly to see the baby, right?
Ultrasound.
You have to have a conductor.
And it just happens that this also hydrates, so you're getting a lot. It's like a 10,000 in one product. Can you just use water instead of the gel?
No.
What's the difference in the sizes?
The Trinity has the interchangeable treatment attachments. Your eye and lip attachment, you have your red LED, and then you also have the facial trainer for the full neck, cheeks, and forehead. We have the mini device that doesn't have the interchangeable treatment attachments. The NuFACE Fix, and this is all about fine lines and wrinkles. This is like the face tune for your
That's
face,
exactly
right?
what I would call
for
it.
your skin.
How hard do you press going through my gel really quickly? Any alternatives?
It's like a light facial massage. So you don't need to be like pressing on the skin. So you don't need to be like pulling. You just want to be gently gliding along the contours of the face. So the gel, you want to like a mask-like layer, and then do it in sections. So gel, lift, gel, lift.
Right, because if you do gel the whole thing, by the time
gonna
you
dry
get to
out.
it, it's gonna dry out. Can you tone your stomach skin from babies? Don't you have a body one?
Yes.
Yes.
We have the new body. So I have
Ooh.
twin girls, and then this is why we created it. It's for your body skin. Specifically post babies. We were just with another client, and she was telling us that Jessica Elba loves this.
Amazing.
babies.
How long do the results last? Hours, days? How often should I use it?
One treatment will last up to 3 days, but it's everyone's starting in a different start place. If you're in your 20s, one treatment will last days. But someone that's kind of in the aging process, you need to really work with that muscle re-education. That's where we want you to do it 5 days a week for 60 days to work with that muscle memory. And then after that, 2 to 3 times a week for maintenance. The more you do it, the better results you're gonna get.
How to get it cheaper. Jamie 15. I will also
have it
say
there, but
you can
Oh.
do it in monthly installments and pay a down payment.
After pay.
After
Oh,
pay.
yes.
On
It's
myNuFACE.com.
great.
So
And
check
it's
it
like
out.
$30 a month or
And
something.
I don't push things that I don't believe in. You guys, that's probably why you follow me in the first place. And so this is something that I wholeheartedly am jumping like into the entire pool now that I actually am in my 40s.
Yeah.
Since January 1st. And that's what I'm doing. So it's working.
So this is it. You
So-
can either hold, or if you want to put like a heavier moisturizer on, you can glide.
Oh, okay.
So this will reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Red LEDs known for increasing collagen production. And then one of the reasons why I love to do it at night is there's some new studies that show that red light actually helps and aids in sleep. So you get like an inverse way.
What's the difference between NuFACE and DermaFlash? Actually, they're totally two different devices, completely.
Totally. And
So-
you can use them together.
Yes,
So,
which
like-
I do.
So I love shaving the face, do that,
Those-
and then do NuFACE, and you'll like the results are incredible.
Those are my favorite devices, and the DermaFlash is also you're taking off the peach fuzz, and you're also like taking the exfoliation.
Too. Yep.
So they work hand in hand.
Wash your face. We have the Prep and Glows. Have you tried these?
Yes, I love them.
Okay, these are the Prep and Glows, so they never dry out. One side's cleansing, the opposite side's exfoliation at the same time. It's infusing your skin with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. It does everything. So do that, your gel primer, and then NuFACE. After that, I like to leave the gel primer on because again, it's like a moisturizer, and then you can put your makeup on over it. If you don't want to do that, you can just remove the gel primer and then do your normal serums, moisturizers, SPF.
By the way, your
Exactly.
skin is amazing.
I live and die by our red LED.
I know that's the one
This-
I'm not using. I need to use
At
it.
night,
Okay.
when you're in bed, like relaxing,
Watching The Bachelor.
watching TV, this is what you want to do. And honestly, I can see such a difference in your skin.
You guys, it's
from
still, it's still like
people always ask, well, can I mess it up? And I say, no, like as long as you
as long as you're not.
gel up,
Yep.
lift up, you can't mess up. Like don't be worried about, screwing this up. You can't.
But now I'm at the point where I'm like, oh my god, this is something that actually works. That's why I'm so glad you came here because
Yeah.
I am obsessed. I don't have filler and Botox
Yeah.
and everything. So if you
Me
do,
neither.
it makes it last longer. And if you don't, it makes it so it looks like you do.
Getting on that
Follow
trend-
her too because you
Yeah.
do a lot of posting about it.
Yep.
So that's it.